Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Seema. So guys, in this video I will tell you about me that I am Hindi medium. So can I speak English? So guys, so answer is yes, I can speak in English. So guys, most of people believe if you are Hindi medium background, then you can never speak English. So guys, it doesn't matter that you are Hindi medium or you are English medium. So guys, I think your school language does not decide your future, but your daily practice and your daily hard work does. So guys, I think this is just a myth that you are if you are English medium, then you can speak English. It doesn't matter, guys. So lots of people, most of people, they are Hindi medium, but they are struggle, they are continue learning. So because of this they can speak English fluently. So guys, I am also learning English. I am also from Hindi medium, so I am daily practicing and I think these days my English improve day by day. So guys, I decided that I will be continue until I will be a fluent speaker. So guys, if you are also English learner, so come with me, we will learn together. So I think it will be helpful for you learning with me. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.